The China-proposed Global Civilization Initiative holds immense potential to shape a harmonious world through cultural connectivity, greater cooperation, and mutual respect among nations, a former Pakistani minister said.
Culture can play a very important role in bringing people closer to each other, because this is a beautiful vehicle for a peaceful dialogue, initiating a peaceful dialogue with all societies across the world. It is the best way to get to know each other. It is the best deterrent against aggression, because you become aware of each other's potential, you become aware of each other's culture, your own identity, cultural identities strengthened, and you start respecting the other cultures also. So when you see civilizations from that angle, then you tend to focus on dialogue, on development, on peace and equality. That's why this Global Civilization Initiative is a visionary initiative, and it can impact the world in a very, very positive manner.
Shah said that frequent cultural exchanges between Pakistan and China have strengthened people-to-people contacts between the two countries.
And we are looking forward to have more and more Chinese troupes coming here, artists, whether they're dancers or musicians or visual artists or theater people or cinema people. I think creating aesthetic bridges is the best way, because aesthetic bridges are very strong. It can, witness the test of times, and they're more, elastic, more resilient.